Hi there, I'm Santina from WTI and I want to tell you about this beautiful knit throw pillow cover case from Decorative. I love this. It's super soft and also I think it has a really nice, beautiful design. One thing I absolutely love about this pillowcase is that it goes with so many different things in my house. We normally keep it in the office on our big comfy leather chair, but I can also put it in the living room on my couch or on my bed, and it just adds the perfect accent. So when I'm ready to switch things up a little bit, I don't have to go buy something new. I have something there that really works with just about everything in my house. It's super easy to use too. The zipper opens very nicely. You can take out the pillow, you can replace the inner pillow if you want to, if you're ready for something new. You're easily able to take the pillow in and out, so that's a really nice feature as well. It's just the right size to work really well with most of our furniture, and I've been very pleased with this pillow cover. That's my point of view.